Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Mod 72. Back in. I look like crap right now, but whatever. I've been doing work on the car, of course. Yeah, we just got these chasing ambient lights installed, but most important, this thing is a custom tune by who it was?
Derek Robinson.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Was it in Pennsylvania, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So custom tune. We're about to go take it for a nice test drive. We won't go crazy on it. Just whatever, you know. Just excited. Because I'll be doing mine soon anyway, so let's just start it up and we'll keep going and we'll see how it does. And I'll show you guys in a video as well of the stance, what it's running on, what kind of tires, wheels, setup like that. And also, what have you done for it so far?
Like tap out turbo swap.
Turbo swap. Yeah. You got charge pipes, right?
Charge pipe, intercooler.
Intercooler. Mishimoto or PRL?
Mishimoto.
Mishimoto, PRL. I mean, no, Mishimoto intercooler, charge pipes. You have flex fuel kit?
No flex fuel.
Not yet. Yep. Oh yeah. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Custom tune. What else is done? Do you have the
down pipe, front pipe? You
got a RV6 cat down pipe.
Yep.
And you got
and the PRL front pipe.
A PRL front pipe, and then you got a thermal R&D exhaust.
Yep.
This sounds nice. I'm gonna make this lower so people could hear the exhaust.
Sounds quiet.
Yeah. But yeah, we just got done with the lighting, so it looks like OEM. Honestly, you guys could get that from my site as well. Yeah, it's awesome, man. Yeah, driving in New York is crazy. We'll just go for a very short run. You'll see how it pulls. We're not doing anything crazy, but just to feel it. What intake you have?
Mishimoto.
Mishimoto intake?
Yep.
Okay. That's also set up in there, part of the setup. Got a custom carbon fiber steering wheel with the red in the strip in the middle. Looking good. Looks the handle's pretty nice on this. I gotta get mine too soon. It feels nice. Alright, let's do this. That is wild. I literally just dropped, just went straight. I was at 20, I hit the gas, I went straight to 60. That's it. That's insane. Wow. How long have you been running this tune for?
It's about 3 months.
3 months now?
Yep.
You drove all the way to Pennsylvania, or you shipped it there?
Yeah, all the way.
You drove?
Yeah, drove all the way down.
That's what I gotta do. I gotta get the best tune. I don't want to mess up the car, you know?
Yep.
Wow. Dude, this is insane. I would never get tired of it. Paddle shifters. You guys hear that in the back? That is awesome. Sounds super clean too. Cat RV6 downpipe, no drone inside, thermal R&D exhaust setup, all the way back, bolt on. And I'm using a paddle shifters as well right now, and still no drone inside, even I'm at the high RPMs. Like 350 something horsepower.
Yeah,
there?
350 on the wheel.
Nice. I think this is a good spot for me. Yeah, that sounds nice. It's the closed intake, right? The intake is closed, right?
Yeah, it's closed.
Yeah. Stock suspension.
No, it's on the coilover, but I make it on the soft setting.
Which coilovers you got?
Just a Megan Racing.
Megan Racing. You're not on coilovers, right? Or you are?
It's on the coilover.
But okay, it's the Megan Racing coilovers.
Yeah,
Megan
Megan
springs
Racing
too in the for the back. It's
Yeah.
like a full set.
Yeah, full set.
Okay. And you're all the way on the soft?
Yeah, all the way on the soft.
What? You don't want a little stiff?
When I go to track, I use the stiff. So
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna take this exit and we're gonna go back. Alright. I think it's that way to go back home. Yeah. If you guys have any comments, questions, or whatever, whatnot, you guys can comment below. I'll have his Instagram in the description as well. You guys can DM him, follow him, and let's check where gas range we're at. Oh, we'll get. You want to put some gas here, or should I? There's no gas.
Yeah. Yes.
We're running this with no gas on. There's literally 2 gallons of gas in it right now. Hey, so quick stop. Gotta get the gas, but here it is. The headlights. Lexus headlights he got in the front. Got the carbon fibers on top and the chrome parts. Super aggressive. Looks really great here. I take this as a thumbnail right now. Yeah. Yeah, it's really nice. Look at this thing. It's got the wheels. You went to track yesterday, so that's why you got these bulky tires. See if they're flush with the fenders. Oh yeah, looking beautiful. All right, you got those side skirts in the bottom, carbon fiber. What's the size setup on the wheels?
15 inch.
15 what?
18.
Wait, I can't hear you.
225, 40, and 80.
Okay, what it is right there.
Oh, I mean 255.
It's 255. I see. Yeah, 255. Yeah, just make sure you DM him if you have any questions. We got the V3 tail lights and the diffusers. You got those crazy quad tips over here going on. Quad tip action, looking good, aggressive, and gas is crazy, guys. Comment below how much you guys are paying. This is New York City gas in Queens right now. That's the pricing here for you guys. Let us know if you're in California or whatever. Let us know the pricing. Yeah, that's that. And then interior real quick. This for the backside. Again, the chasing the ambient lights right there. You guys can see it on my site. This door as well, carbon fiber. Yep. And he's got the light and the thing too in the bottom for the cup holder area, water bottle, whatever. Custom steering wheel right here, aftermarket one. Camera, dash cam, of course, very important. And yeah, we're about to head back now. Continue the ride. All right, and a quick thing, I know you guys are gonna be like, what does it look like under the hood? That's what it looks like under the hood. There you go. Yeah, turbo swap right there. It's crazy. Intake. Yep. Got the oil catch can right there. And that's it. 3 months, huh? So how many miles do you think you put on it in 3 months? Because a lot of people are like, yo, how long is the car gonna last for with the tune and stuff like that?
I think 5,000 miles.
5,000 miles? Oh, that's great. So you started tuning it maybe about, what was it, 20,000 miles?
Yeah.
Not bad. No.
And I just passed the New York inspection too.
Before you did all that stuff, huh?
Yeah.
Nice.
But you have to flash back to the stock tune.
Gotcha.
Okay, then. Yeah.
Oh wow, it says no U-turn here, so I mean, yeah, it's a fire guy. I'm just gonna make a U-turn here while this guy's that's normal. My friend has vibration too. A little bit of vibration. It's from the, you have the Hasport, right? The narrow
The
type of
Hasport,
one?
yeah.
Yeah, those do vibrate a little bit, yeah. But once it starts going, you're good. Spin, like wheel spinning. Yep. Yeah, at the beginning, right? First one, second light. So you're lowered all the way down, huh?
No, on the medium.
Medium.
Light.
Okay.
Not all the way down.
You did like 1 inch drop.
It's about 1 inch.
Okay, 1 inch different. That's right. Because I know if you drop it another inch, then the ride becomes a little bit more stiff.
Yeah.
Come on, man. Definitely get home quick. It sounds good. Thermal R&D with the RV6 catted downpipe sounds good. A little like it's like growling and also bass to it. It's not all raspy and loud. It's different. And you got a big brake kit in the front, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Couldn't see it much because the wheels were covering it.
Traffic.
Yeah, that's New York City for you. Welcome. Yeah, guys, that's it. If you guys are new to my channel, subscribe. My channel is all about installations and helping you guys out on how to install parts and replace like filters, anything like that. Just check out the channel. Make sure to watch a few videos. You'll understand. Helping out the community. So make sure you guys subscribe. Hit the bell icon to be notified on upcoming content. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I ask for in return is just subscribe. I get you guys the best content out there, and we'll be getting some more awesome stuff. So comment below what you guys think about this one right now. What else could be done? Yeah, I know E85, that stuff, flex fuel kit, that could be done as well. But yeah, that's good stuff, man. 350 something horsepower, 350 plus. Consider that. We don't know the exact amount. Last quick pull here and then we'll leave. We'll end it there. Then get it over here and then I'll just kind of end it. That's how quick it is. That's it, fam. So peace out until next time.